Oh, hey there. Cory Mann, Poseidon Ponds and Landscaping. Coming to you from a site visit, and I wanted to explain a little bit about the importance of maintaining your stormwater structures. So we get a lot of calls and we do a lot of work pertaining to stormwater pond detention, retention pond work. And in this case, we have a concrete pipe that has come dislodged. So let me show you a little bit more about what's going on here. So here you can see this is where the water discharges from the stormwater. And the pipe itself has actually come apart. Look at that. So when I talk about the power of water and what it can do, this is probably one of the best examples I can give. So water does what it wants, and it finds the path of least resistance. In this case, for whatever reason, probably a freeze and thaw, and it probably wasn't properly secured, but this concrete pipe here, you're looking at a 30-inch to 33-inch diameter concrete pipe. I'm talking a super heavy pipe here, has come dislodged and pulled apart. One of the causes of that, tree roots. Definitely aids in this whole situation, right? But if the water itself gets backed up with all of these trees and the roots and everything else, and it doesn't have anywhere to go, it's going to do its best to find a way. So in some cases, we have damage like this. Okay, so one of the things that can be done here is to properly have a proactive maintenance plan in place. And what we do for that is you just keep the stormwater structures free of plant material and weeds and trees and everything else. Keep them clear, because that is the first and most important part of these stormwater structures, is to move stormwater from the adjacent neighborhood into the pond that you see down there, filter it out, and release it into the natural watershed. Okay, everything else that we do and take care of on these is kind of secondhand, the maintenance in terms of water clarity, plant growth, and things like that. Stormwater is the number one. So in this case, this association is going to have to have an excavator come out and get this pipe back together. They're going to have to clear this whole area out so it can freely get to the pond. Riprap is going to be needed down in here, but you can see, you know, how much has been carved out. That's a good about 1.5 to 2 feet carved out down there, just from the power of water. So I wanted to shoot this quick video and talk about a little bit about proactive stormwater detention, retention pond maintenance. Do me a favor before you finish watching this video, subscribe. Click that subscribe button down below. And if you need more information for your association or for people you know with associations, get a hold of us at 734-726-5061 or visit our website, www.poseidonponds.com. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.